Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: freeform enabled, account synced, and storage permissions granted. This prevents later interruptions. Then create a new board, choose orientation and an optional grid to anchor layout. Once created, import one image or PDF and add a single text box to capture the objective. Label it clearly so you don't lose focus. Make sure to save or allow autosave, and check that collaborators can view. This gets the project live immediately. Once the board exists, organize content with layers and groups so edits stay predictable. Group related images, text, and sketches together. Use color coding and connectors to create a clear flow. This helps collaborators scan quickly. Apply alignment guides and distribute spacing. When elements align, readability improves and iteration speeds up. Make use of templates, sticky categories, and checklist widgets to turn ideas into actionable steps. Then lock finished items to prevent accidental changes. To finish, run a final pass. Tidy alignment, remove placeholders, annotate priority items, and tag reviewers so responsibilities are clear. Export your board as PNG or PDF or generate a shareable link. Make sure permissions match your intent, view, comment, or edit. If something breaks like sync or export, first refresh and resave locally, then re-upload the file. Check account storage limits and collaborator access. If problems persist, duplicate the board and test exports on the copy before
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.